Akiaria thutha wa giikaro na ministry ya kigina hamwe na ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti KRA, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kigina bunge-ini ya bururi Gladys Wanga augite kamiti ino ni kwandika riboti igie kuria thirikari iratanya kuruta mbeca cia gukinyaniria bajeti ya mwaka turorete wa kigina.
The Parliament carries as much responsibility as the executive as far as our debt burden is concerned. Not just this Parliament, the last Parliament. I've seen people, like Honorable Duale coming to say our debt is very high. The debt is not for today. The debt is when he was majority leader for 5 years and another 3 years in this Parliament. So nobody can shift that responsibility. If we try to shift it, we will just be pretending.
We've clearly spelled out all tax measures, including how we are going to spend the revenue. All of them have been given in details. But today we were asked by Finance Committee to come and clarify certain areas. And we've had very good engagement. There were a number of issues, and we are just basically restating what you said yesterday. And it's now up to the committee to look at them from a position of more knowledge.
Thutha wa ruhonge rwa KRA kuga ni rukuhota kungania muigana wa ciringi trilioni 2.1 iria ni makiria ma gicunje kia 80 harĩ igana kia bajeti ino, kamiti ino yugite kuhitukira riboti-ini yayo bunge niyo igakorwo na kiugo kia muico gia gwitikiria thirikari ikombe muigana wa ciringi trilioni 1.5 iria iratigara kana mukenya atitikane na murigo uyu.
They can only convince us that this proposal we are making makes sense because of this, but the passing of the law now lies in Parliament, and we will have discussions as a committee. We will have a report which we will present to the main house, and if they agree with us, that is what will be carried.
Ministry ya kigina yugite ni kweheria igoti ria nduthi iria irathondekerwo guku bururi-ini niguo igurwo kwa uingi na ihuthire igoti riria riumaga sekta-ini ino guthingathinga ihoro ria ciringi trilioni 1.5.
The amendments that we've carried out in the finance bill will make a motorcycle cheaper as long as less than 100cc.
Kungi kuria thirikari iratanya kuruta mbeca ni kuhitukira kambuni-ini cia uthi wa kamari iria igathikirwo igoti ria gicunje kia 20 harĩ igana kuri aria mageragia munyaka wao, yatania kiuga maratanya kungania muigana wa ciringi bilioni 6.8 harĩ ihinda ria mwaka umwe ukite.
Betting has become a serious social vice, mainly to our youth, and now it's even extending tentacles to our mothers. You call, somebody tells you, bet, you are going to get these additional resources. No, we want to discourage. And if they want to be in business, let them pay for it. Let them pay for it, the companies, and even individuals who choose to bet. Let that pain that you are doing at a cost that you cannot manage is what we want to achieve. The
question was whether we proceed with it as it is or we shift the burden to the companies. So it's still discussion. It's still under discussion.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.